Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be learning a song by Thompson, All of My Worship, and I'm going to be playing in the key of G sharp. Alright, so let me show you the intro of the song. It starts from a 6. This is how you play your 6. So it's like this. Alright, so these are the chords. First you play your 6, 7, 1, and then you move to your 4, 5, 1. So So let me show you the chords and then the progression. It starts from a 6. Now I like playing the 7th minor, so I'm going to be playing it like this, an inverted form of my 6th chord. So I'll be playing this chord for my 6th, and then for my 7th chord I'm going to be playing 7 on the left and then 5 on the right. So anyhow you play your 5, you could play like this or this or this. So it's 5 on your right, 7 on your left, and then this chord 1. This is my chord 1. So it's like this. You are worthy, or you are worthy. Then you move to chord 4, and no one can worship you for me. So this is your chord 4, and then this is your chord 5, then you come back to 1. So that's how the beginning is. You are worthy, and no one can worship you for me. It continues like that. And all the things you have done for me. So here's my worship, all of my worship. Alright, so let me just explain what I just played. I'm playing my 3rd chord. The 3rd chord, I also will be playing the 7th, adding the B flat to it. So I'll be playing it this way. Then to the 4th chord. This is your 4th chord. You can invert and bring your G sharp here. So here's my worship. So from 3 to 4, all of my worship. Then you move to your 6, 5. That's the first one. Then the second time you play, this is my worship. And this time around, instead of playing the 6, 5, you're going to be playing a flat 5. And then when you're moving to your 5, you play a suspended. I'm actually the one playing the suspended chord because I like it. So here's my worship, all of my worship. Then you come back again. This is my worship. Then 6, 5, all of my worship. Then the 4th time you play, is my worship. This is your 2nd chord, your chord 2. Then you move to 6 and 5. Alright, so is a 3 4 6 5 3 4 flat 5 5. You play a suspended chord, and then you play 3 4 again, 6 5, and then 3 2 6 5. All right, then the next one you play, and I will not be silent. Da, 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 da. So I'll not be silent. You play like the first stanza. 6 7 1 4 6 5. Then you play 3 4. So it's like this. And I will not be silent. I will work. Da, da, da. All right. So let's play everything together. Here's my word.